car that you saw here now, what I work on it is about of misfiring. Thing is misfiring. When once it throw through and the thing will not take fire, will not move the way you suppose. Because the motor that take light, normal when it's if you fire and the thing will collect light, just move like blah, blah, blah. But this one, the thing is not steaming well, actually. So what I work as they brought the car, I told them about of coil. They was doubting because this thing is an injector. It's an injector, and remember that I told you about of injector. That injector things that can contain nozzle and coil, one plug, one coil. This is the coil. And for example, this is what change on the car and service the nozzle. To service the nozzle is to just do all things on the line, on the flow line based on what you are working and things that you can detect anything like something that the motor is misfiring. On dialect you get what we are calling it. But when someone tells that the motor is misfiring, you know what it is. Even if you reach field, if you are firing it, the thing will not climb hill so fast based on say the thing is not good. Seen as someone that have catarrh, the thing block your nose. And when once you change this coil and do the same plug, look at the plug. They are just two plug on it with two coil. So the motor now okay. So the coil and the nozzle is the problem of the motor. We didn't change the nozzle. What I did is that I removed some of the plug. I know the one that is worse and clean it and change the two plug that is worse. The one that is okay,